Recycling one glass bottle saves enough energy to power a computer for 25 minutes. The water you get from the tap has been through many other people's bodies before it gets to you. But don't worry, it's been cleaned. The bark of the redwood tree can't burn. When there are wildfires in redwood forests, it is the inside of the tree that burns. Scientists have discovered kryptonite, the fictional mineral supposed to deprive Superman of his powers, in a mine in Siberia. The mineral, called sodium lithium boron silicate hydroxide, exactly matches the formula of kryptonite in the film Superman Returns. Bushes, which grow in North America, can live for 10,000 years. Over 10 million bricks were used in the construction of the Empire State Building, New York. Frozen smoke is a solid that is 99% air. Its real name is aerogel. It looks transparent but hazy, just like frozen smoke. The mold that gives Stilton cheese its special smell and flavor is related to penicillin, an antibiotic that you may take when you're ill. Any magnetic material that is touching a magnet starts to behave like a magnet too. If you attach a paper clip to a magnet, you'll discover that you can attach another one to the first paper clip, then another, as many as you like. If you then break the first clip's contact with the real magnet, they will all fall off and lose their stolen magnetism. A type of carnivorous plant found in the tropical rainforests of Asia can eat birds and even rats. Animals are attracted by the nectar of the flower, and then fall into a vat of chemicals which dissolve them, feeding the plant. At temperatures below about -25 degrees Celsius, -13 degrees Fahrenheit, bubbles can freeze in the air and shatter when hitting the ground. The Grand Coulee Dam that blocks the Columbia River, USA, is 20 meters, 66 feet, taller than the Great Pyramid of Egypt. The saguaro cactus is a woody skeleton inside it. Some animals live in the skeleton once the plant has died. The taste of rat poison varies in different countries. It is adapted to suit the food rats are most used to. The South African quiver tree cuts its own branches off to preserve water. Clever tree. Brazil is home to 30% of the rainforest left on Earth. The slime produced by a slug produces a small electric current when smeared over copper. Slug-powered mobile phone, anyone? Using nanotechnology at a very small scale, working with individual molecules, revolutionary new bulletproof materials are being developed. They are so tough that bullets bounce off them. Someone wearing a jacket made with the new material will be completely unharmed if they are shot. Giant raindrops that were 8.6 millimeters, 0.3 inches, across were measured in Brazil in 1995. The width of the drops was measured using lasers. A mirage is an image of something that is not really there. It is caused by a layer of warm air over a layer of cold air that spins the light, making things that are really far away appear much closer than they really are. Inside the vents of active volcanoes, bacteria live in conditions equivalent to a vat of hydrochloric acid. They're not fussy about their homes. Some trees can live for a very long time. A redwood tree which fell over in California, USA, in 1977 is thought to have been 6,200 years old, which means it started to grow 2,000 years before the earliest human civilization started. The durian fruit smells foul like rotting fish but tastes great. It's a favorite of orangutans. The South American stinkhorn fungus smells of rotten meat and old toilets and has a slimy white spike which is irresistible to flies. Not a good pot plant for your bedroom. Aconite is one of the most deadly poisons known, yet it is used in homeopathic remedies as a medicine.